Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Kgali, aka Miss Shy Confidant. You know what it is. But if you've been a part of this family, hey, how are you doing? I hope you've been good. So today guys, it's a Monday. Okay, babe. What date is it?
Monday the
4th. 24th. Yeah, it's 24th of October. So my baby and I are going out. We're not really sure where we're going, but all we know is that we're gonna have a playful date. So yeah, it's all about that for today. So before I do that, guys, I'm about to have my breakfast. I haven't eaten since I woke up, and it's almost 1. Huh?
I might get myself underwear and t-shirt. That's right.
So he's saying he's going to get himself underwear and t-shirts today. Oh, so we're gonna go for a date and then go shopping for him only. I don't know about me. Anyway, yeah, guys, I'm always shopping. When did I shop?
The last time we went to the mall, we went.
The last time we went shopping, we went for the both of us. It was not for me only. What do you mean?
No, the last time we went shopping was for you.
Was for me? What did I buy? No, the last time I went to buy Dilotamiriri. I didn't buy clothes.
Yes, it was for you, Steve.
It was. I'm talking about. It's fine. My God.
And even the time before that as well, we went shopping for you.
I've never bought
So
clothes.
those
Ever
two
since I was here, baby, I saw get the apparel. To get the parts of
We bought a dress.
Which dress? But I came with that dress. I can't come to so much.
We went to a wedding. You bought a dress.
Oh, the blue dress. Hey, we went shopping that time for the both of us.
Yes. No. It was not for the both of us. Because you
what
didn't
do you mean?
buy.
Babe,
no,
babe,
wait.
We had to get those things for a wedding, and we had to get them. I'm saying, nah, I've never went shopping. Okay, with my own money. I haven't been, I've never bought myself anything. That's what I'm saying.
You never bought yourself anything?
Any nice thing. Hey, the only nice thing that I bought myself was food. was food. But it's fine. It's fine. For now. Yeah. Let's tell guys. The day you went shopping for yourself or for me?
Yes, I was with you. We didn't shop for you that day.
Hey.
Because you didn't know what you wanted.
Hey.
Then the next day, you sent me a dress. You said, no, you like this dress. Let's go. We went. You see?
It was not shopping. We just went to pick up that dress.
We picked it up.
We picked it up. We did. We did. We got to the shop. We didn't even spend 5 minutes in the shop.
Yeah. So there was no. Shopping doesn't it involve money?
Okay, guys, I'm lying. But it was not shopping per se. But my baby bought me a dress. But it was not shopping. Do you know what shopping is? Going to a store and looking for things, not like more than one item. No. Yeah, that's shopping. When you come back home with a plastic, having more than one item, that's shopping. Okay. She shop. It was shopping. We went shopping, and I got a lovely dress. Unfortunately, I didn't take pictures with it.
You didn't.
We didn't take pictures.
That's so unlike.
And you know what?
Oh, you were sick. It's a normal thing.
It's a normal thing. It's my normal thing.
Natural disasters. My baby has been around for me.
Good morning, guys. Yo, my hair is so bad. Anyway, it's Thursday today, and on today's agenda, is it agenda on today's video, I will be going to have lunch. I'm going out with my friend Tembi. If you're new to this channel, Tembi is one of my closest friends. Yeah, so she just arrived in Joburg today, and because I'll be leaving next week, she was like, how about I see you before you leave, because it's been probably over a month, if not two, over a month, because I've been in Joburg for a month. Yeah, so we're just gonna go out, eat and create content. So what I'm about to do right now is I've never done Ben and Betty, so I'm gonna try doing that, because I'm tired of seeing my hair shrunk. I'm tired of seeing my hair this short, so that's what I'm gonna do now. No, but before that I have to go clean up my jeans, because why is my tongue twisting? It's raining today in Joburg, and I was supposed to do laundry today. I can see now that the sun might come out, but there's a chance of rain also later, and I won't be in the house around that time, so I couldn't wash the jean that I wanted to wear today. It had like a stain on a pocket, so I'm gonna try and scrub that out. I'm hoping it's gonna work out. If it does not work out, I'm gonna have to come up with a different outfit. So let me go do that, come back and do my hair. So guys, my hair has been so good. It has been feeling so good ever since, let me pause this, ever since I started trying sheer moisture. I started trying sheer moisture because I was working with it, or for it. So I'm gonna be trying a lot of their because we were given these samples. We were given the raw sheer moisture range, the detangler, the shampoo, and this, and it's a 2-in-1 conditioner from sheer moisture. And then I also got, I will show you guys. So the range that I really want to try out is their black Jamaican castor oil range, but I think I'm gonna go for the mask, because I don't think they do have a leave-in conditioner. But if they do have a leave-in conditioner, I'll try their leave-in conditioner and their mask, because my hair is so curly, it's so soft, you guys. It feels so good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply this leave-in conditioner. You can rinse it off if you want to, but you can also leave it in. I'm gonna apply it and then do my Ben and Betty. And also one taking your Jehovah. I need to learn how to speak slowly. Also my hair is very itchy. That's why I want to do these bantu knots. I want to be able to apply oil, because when my hair is like this, I become so lazy to do anything to it. So yeah, guys. Also, I'm tired of wearing wigs. I'm a wigs. Also, I'm not gonna try and comb this hair because I can't. So guys, hey, let's try and see. Hey guys, so I was only able to do 3 rounds, and now time to on my side, so I'm just gonna go get ready and leave. I'm gonna leave with my hair like this.
if you really mean.
Yeah, it's cold. And ako nalilitsati. Yo, ako nalilitsati.
Kung kada demo or return.
Inside.
Ah, record.
Kaya kami. Eh, sino ko lagi lang eh. Sa tingin, sunset. Kano ba kita? Golden hour. Mo. Yeah,
No the ones. Don't.
Hey.
Definitely.
Mo nice mo. Eh, ko na natin ka. Kasi nakakilata mo inside.
Sige, pag like it.
Guy. Ayun na. Hey, girl. And nagkakaya ako po. This is so cute. Wait. This thing.
Thank you.
So cute.
Fashion this one.
Oh, wow. It's so cute. Oh, and I like it. It's like, you've been here for years. As compared to me. Ah, regarde, c'est une heure, la route, c'est moi. T'as fait la canne Oh, just picture. Oh, just win. On a gâteau. Oh, on va pas pleurer ça. Aidez-moi. Prenez ce gars. On va te picture puis la gars. On a l'upstairs. La bega. Aqui vai na menu de jeito. Buffy. Thank you. Oh. I need a bega. Today I guess I would eat sushi.
You put a home, you shot the hell without silk. Without mixer.
Probably. Maybe I'm not feeling. I got one. Adio, I got one cocktail.
Hi, where are your cocktails?
How much you want to continue?
We're looking for the weird cocktails.
Yeah, the weight.
Wait, It says, "Savona bega, when Nikki Kgalalelo bega." Apa sih? Hi guys, I got flowers from my man. Hey guys, good morning. I think it's still morning, yeah. It's a Saturday. I think it's, hey, let me not lie. It's a Saturday. Obviously, I will insert the date there. So, I was planning on taking my man out today. And like taking us both out for a continuous playful date. So what had happened was I did plan to take us out for a playful date. So the previous weekend he kind of annoyed me. So he was like, because I couldn't, no, he was not able to, he was not able to come back home when he had to come back for us to go for the date. So when he got back, that's when he, because it was a Monday, went on a ice skating date on a Monday, right? So we were supposed to go on Sunday. So because he was not able to come back on time on Sunday, he was like, okay, let me just take you out on Sunday. So because now we're kind of left with, I want to go watch a movie. It's been a while since I've been to cinema, so I will be the one, paying for that. That's if I don't change my mind. But yeah, I wanted we were planning on doing that this weekend before I go home, because I'm gonna go home on Tuesday. So today, he did forget that we were invited to go watch soccer somewhere. So I think we're gonna go watch soccer. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog that, because we're gonna be with people that I'm not really comfortable with, like Kidi Matatahar. So I don't know if I'm gonna vlog that. And then on Sunday we have to go to his mother's side of, yeah, Kopa Mahar. You have to go that side. So obviously I won't be vlogging. So yeah, I'm so, I don't want to say I'm mad, but I'm a bit disappointed that my vlog won't have everything that I planned. But I'll force I don't know. I'll just go for a solo movie date when I get to Mafikeng. I don't know. Get la bona, guys. So that's that.
Always talking about
Bye.
what he wants, it just sits on his broken soul. No, I don't want you